We are up at the cottage. Maria is on the sea-doo. Christy is enjoying the dock. We are on the new dock. And the young ladies are going on the sea-doo. Don't kill yourself, Ma.
How much gas do I have?
You'll see when you turn on, Mom.
You can move back. There's something right here.
You got to turn on, Mom, and you see the gauge.
Yeah, you're help.
Take a car.
Start it, Maria.
Just turn it on, put the key on, and then you can see the gauge.
Is that a waterproof watch?
Give gas.
Marie, do you have gas?
Give gas. Give gas.
Marie?
We're 2 cells.
That's good.
Watch it.
Hang on, Elena.
See ya.
Hold on to the rope. Hold on around her. Off we go.
Bye-bye.
The water's still warm.
Tessa. Oh.
Chrissy, it's deep now at the end.
Still warm, the water.
Yeah? Okay. I'm going to tape one-handed fishing. I think I can catch a fish with just one hand. Come on, fishies. Here they come. Come on, go. Got him. Woo! I got one! Come here, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait up.
Wow, you caught that in 2 seconds.
Yepper! And when we caught this, it was like a school. There was like 5 of them.
No,
Parker,
okay,
hey.
Parker likes fish.
Parker loves little fishies.
Oh my gosh!
Back. Come, babe.
Okay, that's so cool. Okay, hurry, he's gonna die. Hurry.
Parker, come here.
Careful, it's slippery.
Come here.
Say bye, fishy.
Watch Parker. Watch him.
Oh my gosh, bring him out deep so Parker swims. Look at him, Mom.
He's swimming.
Go, look, let him go.
Okay, Parkies. What's this? What's this fish? Look, Parkies, can you get that fish? Look. It's still there, Parkies. What's that?
Is he dying?
No, he's swimming. He's fine. He's gone.
Bye, fishy.
Oh, yeah, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Parker, you're so silly. You go swimming to get the fishies. Nice job, Lukey. That's awesome.
Wow.
Okay, let him go.
Yes.
You know what? I can't believe how good you fish.
Okay, let him go, baby. Let him go.
Okay.
John, that was
Let him go.
Into the wild you go,
We
buddy.
saw a whole bunch.
There he goes.
Wow.
There he goes. You can see him.
With this cooler. It's,
See, they love it. Right?
We're going to go for a nice little dip.
Uh-huh. Is it warm?
Heavy is good.
Is it warm?
That's beautiful. Beautiful.
So clear, my water. My water is very clear.
Perfect. Perfect.
Tessie.
Okay.
She's giving kisses. Parkies.